Welcome to the Freedom Project Tribe business presentation. My name is Mike Adeyemi. Today I'll be taking you through a system that thousands of people have used to change their life. And I believe if they can do it, you can also do it. What is Freedom Project Tribe Academy? The Freedom Project Tribe is a business initiative sponsored by the Freedom Project Tribe Academy. This program is created to help interested, qualified people or selected individuals raise capital for their personal projects, increase cash flow, help those who want to earn extra income, create a channel to increase their income without jeopardizing their current source of income. But here is a warning. If you are lazy, this opportunity is not for you. If you are comfortable with your current financial situation, this business is absolutely not for you. If you are looking for Ponzi scheme where you can double your money, you are looking for Ponzi schemes to put your money, our business is absolutely not for you. If you are comfortable driving a used car that does not fit your status, this business is not for you. If you are comfortable being an average, I think you need to get a job. If traveling for vacation does not excite you, you do not need this opportunity. If you are looking for money doubling, we advise you to look somewhere else, because we don't double money for people. If you don't want extra income, I think this business is also not for you. If you already lost hope and you believe nothing can be done, please stop watching this video right now. But if you continue watching this video, I want to congratulate you, because you are going to be among those few people who have taken a huge step to change their life. Our mission is to help those who have lost their dreams or those who are struggling with their dreams to dream again. And we want to help those who are looking for opportunities to raise capital for their personal business and projects, whereby they can raise money to build their own empire. We want to help those who do not have a good retirement plan, whereby giving them a platform, guiding them on how to earn residual income and retire into health and wealth. If you are in the class of these people, or you are in this category of people I mentioned, and you are ready to make a change for your life, this means you need an opportunity. Like Warren Buffett once said, if you don't create a system that will pay you while you sleep, you work till you die. The secret of all highly successful people out there is their ability to create a business system that can pay them and their generation unborn, even when they are sleeping. To stay ahead financially in this 21st century, it is obvious that everyone needs a business system or a sustainable plan B. Therefore, a system is required. When I mean a system, a business model that you can create that can pay you even when you are not available. A business system that you can create that can pay your generation unborn. A business system that you can create that can outlive you, that even when you are no longer existing, this system still continue to bless thousands of people. And that is the opportunity that we have brought to you. And this opportunity I'm going to be giving you today contains three major things that are essential when it comes to wealth creation. One, a system that helps you duplicate your money. Two, a system that had value. And three, a system that helps you to leverage. A lot of people have used the leveraging system. They have been able to leverage on people because we believe people is money and money is people. Baba Awolowo died in the year 1987. That's a long time ago. But the deal he signed with Coca-Cola today is still paying his generation up to today. Meaning he was able to leave a legacy because he worked with the system. And he was able to leverage on the population of Nigeria. When Coca-Cola came to this man to sign their deal to start their business in Nigeria, what happened? They decided to say, oh, we are going to give you some amount of money if you can allow us to operate. But this man said, no, just give me some token from everyone who is buying Coca-Cola. And that little amount of money has amounted to about 3 naira today. So meaning on every bottle you drink, this man family 3 naira immediately. And imagine the amount of people consuming the product today. So which system are you living for your own generation? Which legacy are you living? In which way are you able to help people to leverage or make money even when you are not physically available? Another one is Obasanjo. Obasanjo also used the leveraging system. He looked at the population of Nigeria when MTN came to sign a deal with him. If he was to accept money from them, he would have probably taken millions or hundreds of millions and take the money once, and that will be the end. But this man says whoever is loading MTN recharge card, he should be paid 1 naira. And according to studies, last year we are made to understand that MTN have the largest subscriber in the entire Nigeria. Over 75 million people use MTN today. But everybody who load recharge card pay this guy 1 naira. Now imagine if only 10% of those 75 million load their phone or recharge their phone on a daily basis. Do you know how much this man will be making? That is a lot of money. It means even if Obasanjo is sleeping in his house today, he can close his eyes and make money. Why? Because he is leveraging. He's leveraging on people who are using this. So what system do you have that you can use to leverage on others? According to a billionaire, he said, seize great opportunities and load up the truck. Opportunity come frequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the timber. Meaning this is the right time for you to look into an opportunity and key in immediately. Because what I'm about to show you today is an opportunity that teachers, lawyers, doctors, students, coppers, housewives, everybody have used to generate residual income for themselves and their family. And they have been able to use this same system to change thousands of people. I want to congratulate you for watching this video up to this point, and welcome to our franchising opportunity. Now, what does a franchising business mean to you, or how can you access your own franchise? A franchise business is known to be a business model which enables individuals to buy into an existing business system that is already successful, fully operational, strategy for faster distribution of company products and services, in which the individual share profit on his investment. The advantages of our franchising system: one, it is a lifetime international partnership. As soon as you become our partner, you are our partner for life. You can pass this business on to your generation, and you can operate from any part of the world. You also enjoy our unique products, our services from 5 different countries across the globe. We also have real-time online personal office. No need for inventory, no need for manager, no need for staffs. Everything is automated online business that you can do on a daily basis at the comfort of your bedroom, and yet you earn a full-time income. This opportunity is so good that many people are really enjoying it right now, and their life have really transformed. You can transfer the business to your own generations, to your own children. And of course, we are the only company that pays on a daily basis. Now imagine, a lot of people are poor today simply because they work for 30 days in a month and get paid once in a month. What other advantage can you get? Unlike other franchise systems where you need to invest bulk money or millions of money, here we have a low startup capital. All the branding of this business system is already done by the company. All you need to do is to plug yourself into this existing system that is already running. We also have all the logistics taken care of. How the products are being shipped to you, you don't care, you don't want to know, because it's already done by the company. And all the innovations of the business is already done by the company. Now, what does it involve? What does it take to get started with our business? What does it take to get connected to our opportunity? Now, all you need to do is to choose any of our packages I'm going to be talking about right now on the screen. Now, you can choose to go for our promo pack, which is just 38,000 naira. If you go for our promo pack of 38,000 naira, you have also access to our products worth 45,000. These are household products, what you consume in your home with your family on a daily basis, what we are going to give to you. Now, these are daily essential products that you will be given. The capacity of this business, the potential income that your 38,000 naira investment can give to you on a daily basis is 96,000. Now, if you go for our second package, which is our silver package, all you need to do is to invest 70,000. you can earn a potential income of 153,000 naira on a daily basis. And yet, as soon as you pay 70,000 naira, we are giving you our product worth 75,000 naira plus. That means you have 100% return of investment, even far more than what you invested. The third package, which you can also invest in, is 210,000. Yeah, you hear me right? 210,000 naira. As soon as you do this, you are going to be having our product worth 225,000 immediately. Can you see that? 225,000. That is far beyond the money you invested into this opportunity. And yet your daily potential income, I repeat, your daily potential income is 459,000. If I connect you to a bigger option, maybe you go for the platinum package. The platinum package is 490,000 investment. So if you invest 490,000 into our business opportunity, you are going to be getting pro worth about 500 plus immediately, and your daily income is 1,075,000. I repeat, 1,075,000. That sounds too good to be true. Yes, I know that. Right in your heart, it sounds too good to be true. And if you invest in our platinum investors package, 15 accounts, it means you are going to pay 1,050,000. But here's the deal: you have the potential income of 2.3 million. We have designed several ways in which you can make money. Number one is through the sharing of the product. If you share our product with anybody, you have the opportunity to earn 25% profit. Now, you hear me right? 25% profit. But that is not the main thing, or that is not our focus. We don't want you to go around selling anything. What we want you to do is to share our business opportunity with other people. Number two way of making money is through what we call the franchise partnership reward, or you can also make money from franchise sales reward, which is about 9,600. Franchise partnership reward is 5,000 naira. We have what we call the unit level, about 5 to 10%. We have the step income or bonus, 10, 20, 30, 35, up to 40%, depending on your position with us in our company. Now, how does this work? Let's go straight to that point. All you need to do is this: as soon as you get connected to our tribe, all you need to do is also to connect 2 of your friends to pick up their own franchise form. Now, you hear me right? Just connect 2 friends to pick up their franchise form. Upon connecting 2 friends, on each person you are going to earn 5,000 each, giving you a total of 10,000. We call it the franchise partnership reward. As soon as we invite more partners, you tell more partners to tell other partners to partner with us, to get connected with us, you get 5,000 naira on each person. Now, wow, that's so good. That's so good and so powerful. Now, the next thing is this: as soon as our system discover that you have been able to connect 2 people, you have been able to connect Mr. A in the right, Mr. B in the left, is going to reward you again with what we call the franchise sales reward, 9,600 naira. Now, imagine you've connected Mr. A in the left. You have what we call the franchise partnership reward, 5,000. You've connected Mr. B in the right. You have the franchise partnership reward, 5,000 again, equals to 10,000. Now, as soon as you complete this system, you have been able to connect successfully 2 people, Mr. A and Mr. B, to our system. You will get the franchise sales reward of 9,600 paid to you. 9,600 paid to you immediately. Now, this is not go and wait till the end of the month. This is not go back home tomorrow, you get this money. No. As you are doing this transaction, as you ask 2 of your friends to pick up their franchise form, own their own franchise, own their own business, and build their own future, you are getting paid immediately. This is when they choose our silver package of 70,000 naira. Now, what happened next? You have earned a total of 19,600. All you need to do is to motivate Mr. A to also connect 2 partners who are going to partner with our franchise. Now, as soon as you do this, the same thing will happen. 5,000 plus 9,600 will be given to Mr. A, a total of 19,600. And Mr. B will be motivated to do the same, connect 2 partners to our opportunity. 5,000 will also be paid to him, franchise partnership reward, plus franchise sales reward of 9,600 will also be paid to Mr. B. Now, what happens to you who connect Mr. A and Mr. B, the system will still reward you. The system continue to reward you. Now, this is where the leveraging comes in. Remember, you only connect A and B and you go to bed. As soon as you connect A and B and you go to bed, now this guy also connect their own two. Now, what our system will do, as soon as Mr. A connect the first person, Mr. B connect the first person, our system pick one person from the left, Mr. A from the B, from Mr. B from the right, and pays you again 9,600. You can imagine that. Yes, you hear me right. The system reward you again 9,600. Now, there is one person left from Mr. A, there's one person left from Mr. B. The system still continue to reward you additional 9,600 as people keep getting connected to the system. One person in the left, one person in the right, you keep on getting 9,600, 9,600, 9,600, 9,600, 9,600 till infinity. Even when you are sleeping, even when you are on vacation, even when you are on your business, even when you are at work, this continue to happen to you as people keep on partnering with our system. Now, we have done this in a way that all the payout is on a daily basis. You get this money paid to your bank account. Access Bank is the bank we use. You get paid directly into your Access Bank account. No time frame, no maintenance. Now, you are not given any time frame to get your two connected. Now, there is no compulsory auto ship. Now, you do, maybe some organizations say you have to do servicing by buying a lot of products. We don't do that. There is no compulsory auto ship. There is no maintenance. Meaning, as soon as you get yourself connected, just connect two dream-driven, passionate individuals who are ready to change their life like yourself, and they also connect their friends and family to the opportunity, and they partner with our franchise system, and you get paid for the rest of your life. Another way in which you can earn a lot of money. In case you want to maximize your money, all you need to do is to invest your 210,000. Go for the gold package. Now you are ready to run right now. Now, as soon as you invest 210,000, you are going to earn an instant income of 19,600. Now, without connecting any partner to the system, you earn 19,600 instant cash back to your pocket. This will happen in just about 20 to 30 minutes of you investing your money. You are already seeing this money in your account. You are already seeing this money back into your account, into your bank account. And aside from that, we are going to be giving you Pro World 225,000 immediately for your consumption with your friends and family. And after that, all you need to do is to connect 4 partners. So if you create a 3 centers, you go for the gold package, you are earning money in 3 places at the same time with the same volume of effort, and with the same volume of work being put into the opportunity. Now, what is your potential daily income that the business can pay you? 460,800. Yes, you hear me right. 460,800 is what you can earn on a daily basis, and in a week 3.2 million. In a week 3.2 million, and in a month 14.2 million naira is what the system can pay you. Now, what if you decide to go for our platinum pack, which is 490? Now, as soon as you invest 490 into the system, before you do anything, as soon as your product worth about over 500,000 is being given to you, before you do anything in our business, you are going to earn an instant 78,000 naira return of investment. All you need to do is to connect with 8 people only. How many people? Partner with 8 people. Pick up your franchise form and hand it over to 8 people. Let them also purchase their own franchise and get started on a business that will change their life. Get started on a business that will change their life. Now, the potential income, as these 8 guys also duplicate to get their own 2 guys to partner with them, you start earning. You start earning till infinity. There is no end. Your daily potential income is 1,075,200. In a week is 7.5 million, and in a month is 33.3 million. Now, I call this 12 weeks to financial freedom. Yeah, you hear me right. 12 weeks to what? To financial freedom. Now, assuming you get connected to our tribe today, as soon as you get connected to our tribe today, you decide to pay 70,000 naira right now, and you connect 2 people to the system. Yeah, you connect 2 people to the system who also pick up their franchise form and buy and purchase their own franchise for just 70,000 naira each. Now, you tell these 2 guys the following week that is coming, all you need to do is get 2 guys to also partner with each and every one of you, and everybody who comes in the following week have 2 people partner with them, and it keep on going like this. 2 people keep on partnering the following week, 2 people partners. It keep on going like this, 32, 64, like this. It keep on going. At the end of 12 weeks, at the end of 12 weeks, you will have earned a total of 19.6 million naira. Now, if you get started with 210,000, if you get started with 210,000 and you connect 4 people, and the 4 people the following week connect just 2 people only, and everybody keep on acting based on principle of 2, at the end of 3 months, you hear me right, at the end of 90 days, you will have been able to earn a total of 58.9 million from our system. This is tested and it is proven. Now, if you get connected with 490,000 now, and everybody you connect with 8 people, you give your franchise form to them to also get their own franchise and own their own franchise and own their future. Now, each of them also refer 2 people or connect 2 people to the system within 12 weeks, which is 90 days. You will have been able to earn a total of 137,558,400. So I got started with this opportunity, and you know, when I got home, I told my wife we have seen an opportunity that will change our lives. Of course, you know, everybody, when it comes to this form of business, everybody tends not to believe what it is, because probably some of us have tried something related, or maybe we have done something related and it didn't work out. Yes, of course, if your business did not fail maybe once or twice, then there is no future in that business. So because they have failed already, I know there is a light in this. So I told my wife all I wanted to make is just about 5 million. All I want to make in my first year is just about 5 million. But guess what? In my first year, I did not make 5 million. I did not even make 10 million, but I made an entire 36.3 million in my first year. Another account, I made about 79.5 million. Another business, 66.3 million and 102.4 million. This is my back office that I'm showing to you guys. Now, this business has earned me well over millions and millions upon millions. You can do the calculation yourself, and this business has really paid me so well that it has really changed my life. Let me show you other people who have also done this business. There is a lady here by name Anna Oga. Anna Oga, this lady used to be a copper. She get connected to our tribe, and she become part of the business, and today she's living a life of her dream. And here are daily alerts that she has been earning from our system. You can see on the screen, all of these are alerts, different alerts this lady has been receiving on a daily basis. Very young lady, and she's one of the millionaires we have been able to produce in this business. Now, these are young people. A lot of us, we use our phones, our laptops. All we do is just to show up online, to laugh at what other content other people are creating. All you do is to show up online, to watch comedy skit and all of that. Now, what are you bringing to the table of this world? Now, you have an information, a business information here you can share online. All of these guys are connected online. These are young people. These are even students who have got connected to this opportunity, and today their life has really changed. Now, these are our car achievers all over the world. This is in Nigeria. Our car achievers, these are people who have been in this business 1 year, 2 years, and their life has really changed courtesy of this business. Now, this is another young lady who got connected to this opportunity. She was living here before she got connected, and today she bought her own house courtesy of this business opportunity. Now, don't depend on somebody to be giving you money or be feeding you every day. Now, if you have what it takes, all you need to do is to pick up your phone right now, call the person who is sending you this video, and get started straight away. Now, a lot of people are always afraid with this kind of business. So, how do I do it? I don't know people. I don't know how to run it. I don't understand the system. How does it work? Yes, all those questions are answered. There is no hard convincing, no hard selling. Why? Because every of our business, we have already automated the business. We are going to give you full automated business support, meaning we have all it takes for you to succeed. One, we have our questionnaire system. Our questionnaire system is both online and offline, that you can share with people to go through, and all you do is to get all the feedback from people, submit to us, submit to the person who sent this video to you, and they will help you finish the job, and people will be connected into the system for you. people will be connected into the system for you. Now we run our radio advert that support everyone in our group. So we run an advert on the group, meaning everybody benefit from this radio advert that we run in our group. So you don't need to be panicking that, oh, what if I cannot do this? What if I cannot convince? You are not convincing. And of course, we provide tools. One of the tools that we have provided for you is this video that you are watching right now. This video you are watching right now is one of the two that you can use. All you need to do is take it, forward it to someone to watch. Let them watch it and give you a feedback on what they have seen and what interests them and what excites them most about the opportunity, and you get them started in the business right away. So our tools will do the talking, so you don't need to do the talking. We have script word for word of what you want to say. Now we are going to be giving you our manual that contain every information about the business. We are going to be giving you this manual. Is worth over 50,000 naira, but we have compiled our years of experience together in this business, how to run it successfully, how to become a 7-figure income earner in 1 year, one single year, how to become you hear me right, how to become a 7-figure income earner in just 1 year. This is already prepared down for you. Word for word, what you are going to say is already put down in the script. All you need to do is copy, paste, share with your friends and family this information online and offline. Everything you need to do about this business is already put down for you. All the tools and material are available. We also have our business home launch, meaning you can invite your friends and family to your home. Then we are going to give you one of our mentors, qualified mentor, well-trained individuals who are ready to come and deliver effectively and efficiently and help you do the talking, that you don't need to stress yourself and talk much while you are learning the business. Now what if I tell you while you are learning this business you can even start earning a 6-figure income? Will that excite you? Will that make you happy? Yes, that is what we have been doing, and with this we have helped over 2,000 people. Yeah, you hear me right. Over 2,000 people become multi-millionaire in our business already. Silent multi-millionaires. These are ordinary people. When I mean ordinary people who discover this opportunity, plug themselves into this opportunity, make themselves available to be coached, to be taught the opportunity, and they've learned the opportunity, and while they are learning they are also earning, and right now they've learned the business, they are already doing wonders in the business. Now I believe it has happened to those people. I've shown you their pictures and their alerts. It can also happen to you. Now all you need to do is to take the right step, because they said the journey of 1,000 miles begin with a step. And of course we are going to be connecting you with product of value. We are connecting you with what? Product of value. This is toothpaste. We have one of our products is a toothpaste which you can use with your family to brush your teeth. Now imagine you are brushing your teeth and you are getting paid while you brush your teeth. I say this is brush your teeth and get paid. What if you are drinking tea? You can drink your tea and get paid. Now drinking tea and get paid. What if your children are drinking chocolate drinks in your home from our office or from our company? It means your children are taking that chocolate drink and you, the parent, are getting paid to cater for the future of your kids. What if while you are taking care of your health, you are also getting paid? We have the feminine wash. You lose weight, you get paid. Lose weight and get paid now. Now imagine you are using our product for losing weight. We call it burn. Now as you are burning the fat, you are also making money. Burn the fat and make money. That is all this is all about. Now a product of value that are tested, trusted all over the world, manufactured by giant companies in America like Nature's Way, like Wada, like DSM. All of these companies, Natural Life Asia, all of these companies come together. 5 different companies with different technologies, nanotechnologies, phyto-alkatech technologies, all of these put together in one to give you this wonderful product. And this product are already tested. Imagine the soap so wonderful. So you use all of these products, just use them in your home, no selling. Use them for your own benefit and enjoy them, and yet you have a business platform that have the potential to pay you. Don't forget, our business support system, our support program is so powerful that if you become part of this business, you start earning immediately while you are earning. Thousands of people are giving testimony in our office. What I want you to do right now, what I need you to do right now is to pick up your phone, call the person who sent you this message. These are the account number. Choose any of the package, either 38,000 naira, 70,000 naira, 210,000 naira, 490,000 naira, and 1,050,000. Choose any of those packages, transfer into any of these bank accounts right now, and tell the person that send this video that you have got started already. You have already transferred your money, and let the journey begin. And in case you don't understand anything from this presentation that we have just done for you, feel free to call the person who sent you this video and ask more questions. Now, our system is fully on ground to help you, to support you, to build you until you become successful. You have all it takes, and we believe this year is going to be a greater year for you. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you.